Hey everyone, want to quickly tag everyone in WhatsApp group without typing each name? I have got a simple trick that will save you tons of time. Let's dive in. First of all, open the WhatsApp group where you want to tag everyone. This works on both iPhone and Android, so don't worry about your device. To tag everyone, just type the symbol in the message box. You will see a list of all group members. Now, instead of typing each name manually, you can just tap each name as it appears. WhatsApp will add everyone's tag into the message. If it's a big group, this still takes a moment, but here's a tip: be mindful when tagging so you are not overloading everyone's notification. And that's it. You are now a WhatsApp Pro. Hit send and everyone in the group get notified instantly. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and follow for more quick tips. Happy tagging.